Hello, everyone. The video shows how to use VPN on your iPhone or iPad, iOS devices. Here, I use BitsNet VPN. You can select a plan according to your needs. Here is a 10% off coupon code.
69.
After paid, you can enter dashboard settings. Click Quick Subscription. Copy subscription URL. Here I use a free app, OneClick, for Shadowrocket. Please view this video. Open it. Click Add Server. Click Add Subscription. Enter a remark. Paste the copied subscription URL from BitsNet. Click to save. Then you can see some nodes. Here I select a Japan node. Select Global Mode. Click the connection icon.
You can see a VPN icon on the top. Run Chrome browser and check the IP address.
Here is a Japan IP address. Select another node, such as Singapore. Refresh the web page and check IP again. Here is a Singapore IP. Select another node, such as Korea. Refresh. This is a Korea IP address. Okay. The video is over. Please like, comment, share this video.